Welcome to Logimeter Insights, where we provide you with an overview of the xTracker portal and the functionality it offers. In this video, we'll cover how to best manage the customer tab in the xTracker portal. Loading customer contact information within the customer tab helps businesses learn about their customers, including who they are and why they purchase your product. It also assists in identifying customer calling frequency. I'll display 3 easy ways to upload customer information. To log in, go to logimeter.com and select Login. Note your user details will be supplied by the Logimeter support team. Alternatively, if you have existing user details and forgot your password, please use the Forgot Password option. Option number 1. Select the call event. All details populate on the right. Select the pencil icon right above the customer contact number. Input customer information. Select Save. To view the customer's history, scroll down. Option number 2. Select customers in the first column. To manually input a client, select the plus icon. Insert the required information and select Save. If you wish to upload a list of contacts or customers, please select the upload icon right next to the search bar. Note this gives you a format of what is required in order to upload a list of clients. This is one of many videos that will be released on how to best manage the xTracker portal. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to email us at support@logimeter.com.